Congratulations for making it through the on-ramp program. I hope you had an amazing time with your coaches and you're ready to get started in our regular CrossFit classes. We can't wait to see the amazing results that you're going to get not only as a part of the community, but as an athlete getting the best coaching that we can possibly provide and getting ingrained as a part of our family. A few quick things that we want to cover, starting with our goal for you. The goal of everybody in this gym, including our coaches and our athletes, is to give you the best hour of your day. We want to give you the right plan and also the right people surrounding you to get the best results possible and make this the most fun hour out of your day, aside from maybe your friends and family. In order to do that, a couple quick things that we want to make sure that you're focusing on outside the gym and in. Number one is schedule and consistency. Get in the gym minimum of 3 times a week, but we're hoping 4 or 5 for a couple reasons. 1, you get to meet more people and get more coaching. 2, you get even better results and even faster results by being here more consistently and becoming a better athlete, more fit, more flexible, mobile, all those crazy things that go along with it. And you can even get your name on the record board for the Committed Club and get nominated for Athlete of the Month. After that, we're focusing on things outside the gym, like your sleep, trying to get a good solid 7 to 8 hours so you can recover faster, look better, feel better, all those good things that go along with sleeping more. Water intake, we're shooting for 2 to 3 liters a day on a regular basis. And then obviously nutrition, which is a pretty specific area that a lot of people have questions on. Main goals for us, for you, try to get 3 to 4 healthy meals with a fruit or vegetable in each one every single day. If you want to take a deeper dive or you want more specific help with nutrition, we also have nutrition coaches that can work with you one-on-one and take care of that aspect as well too. After that, we want to focus on what are the next steps for you as an athlete. Number 1 would be scheduling and using the Wodify app to make a consistent schedule in all of our class times. So if you're coming to the 4:30 p.m. class, with yours truly most days, try to be at the 4:30 p.m. class almost every day or as consistent as possible so that the coaches get to know you even more and your classmates and teammates get to know you even more and you have a great time when you're working out. The next one is using our Wodify app to track your progress. You want to celebrate the big wins like your PRs, but also the little wins such as being able to row at a faster pace or being able to do a full burpee instead of a modified burpee. After that, we're going to be completing check-ins with you. Your coaches, including myself, are going to be checking in with you pretty regularly. In the beginning, might be weekly. As we move on past that stage, it's probably going to be more towards every 30 days and then reevaluating and reassessing every 90 days with your goals and where we want to go in the future with the results that you want to get. We're super excited for you to get the full use out of our facility. We have in-house spots for chiropractors, massage therapists, and even a physical therapist that's here almost daily. In addition to that, we have a full shower facility, lockers and cubbies for all of our athletes, and even a beverage center where you can take things like water, fuel for fire, protein shakes, energy drinks, and whatever else you need to help fuel you for and post after your workout. And lastly, going forward, you being a big part of our community is what makes not only your results even better in your experience, but everybody at this gym. Trying to be here as much as possible, make friends, experience things, build relationships with people inside and outside the gym, join the parties that we have. It's always a great experience and we can't wait for you to be a big part of it.